Hello friends, today we are going to see that how we can configure Trap 5.0.2 in our Angular JS project. Let's see how we can do it. First you have to go to your project directory, and the easiest command to run command prompt in your project directory is Control L, and then you type cmd in the URL bar and press enter. So here first you have to run your project. Already running, my project is already, and for configuring Bootstrap you have to first install Bootstrap module, node module. Or so how you can install it? You can install using the command npm install. You have to type here in your project directory npm install Bootstrap and save. It will save it to your angular.js file, your Bootstrap module. So once you run this command, it will install the Bootstrap in your node module. Bootstrap module has been installed. So now the major question comes when how you can configure it in your live project. So let's try to use live project. So first you have to run your project using ngserve. Already run my project. Okay, it's showing compiled. And run your project using serve. You can run your Angular project. So like if you want a Bootstrap navigation bar with your working drop down, most of the time drop downs don't work. How we can make it work? You have to just go to your project, okay, and there is an index.html file in your project. So you don't have to go to your components, don't have to go also in your AngularJS. I've already pasted down of, no, you can just check it. Bootstrap is installed, no need of jQuery, Popper, and this we would add it for file. Close it, everything. You will see in your project index.html. This file you have to. So for applying Bootstrap, you have to go to the official site of. So no need to install any module for Bootstrap. Just you have to install Bootstrap initially. No need of installing later on. Get Bootstrap, okay. Then you can go to the get started, whichever version you like. Okay. So here we will go to the component and we would see how we can apply our navigation bar with the working drop downs. So you can just startingly you have to just apply it using starter template. So here you can see for Bootstrap you can make use of bootstrap min.c. Copy it, paste it just before head section. I have already pasted. I have used Bootstrap 5.0 and for Bootstrap, you know, for working drop downs you need JS. So there is a separate popper dot in.js and bootstrap js, both you can copy and you can just paste it just before body. But I have used bootstrap bundle. It contains both popper.js as well as bootstrap min dot for working drop down. So the point is you should use in index.html, not by installing in the separate modules for everything, like for jQuery, for popper no need to install the npm packages for the, you can just paste it the cdn index.html and your bootstrap will work in your AngularJS project. So let's see. By applying, I have a navbar component. You can make use of it. So I will go to the components and navbar. Okay, I have just copied it and pasted here the entire nav, and this navbar I have already included in our app component. I have already included this component in our main app. Okay, so let's see it will work or not. I have already ran the project and you will see bootstrap is working because it is showing such everything, it is perfectly right. And drop down will also work since you have added JS, popper.js as well as bootstrap JS and jQuery in a CDN that is included in our index.html. Through index.html you can apply your bootstrap in your AngularJS and this is working solution for AngularJS 12. For latest AngularJS and for latest bootstrap. Okay, thank you.